And the reason I'm saying this is we're relying on unelected bureaucrats to make a lot of our decisions and pass a lot of our resolutions and our laws for us instead of the people we elected. So I'd like the board to approach very carefully this rush towards mental illness and threat assessors and what might be called a commissar over the juvenile justice system. It just smacks of lack of civics to me, and that's not what we elected people for. Thank you.
Thank you. Any other members of the public wish to comment? Sir, go ahead. Name and address, please.
Yes, Doug Patterson, 2502 North 51st Avenue.
Could you make it forward just a little bit, make sure that you're on, we're recording.
Hi, John. I don't want to get in the way of John. So anyway, my concern is that, I've been following this as best I can. I'm truly in the margins. But my concern is, it's not just here, but across the country, an ongoing relationship between public sector and private sector profit making. And that concerns me, because I think it's the heart and soul of a tidal wave of corruption. That public monies and public operations will be led by the private sector for the purpose of enriching a few. That concerns me. I'll be watching what happens here in regard to that, and I certainly hope you don't take that path. Thanks.
Thank you. Anybody else wish to comment? Going once, going twice. Okay. Seeing no further public comments, I do want to thank you all for being here and thank those of you who commented. We will move on then to the next item, which is litigation update. Joel Peterson, legal counsel to the board. I'll turn it over to you.
Correct. So you probably are aware of this on the board. On July 23rd, there was a lawsuit filed that put a pause on issuing the bonds and the financing for the project. We do have a court hearing scheduled. I think the opportunity for today doesn't go much beyond that in public session, but we do want to convene an executive session so you can hear my legal advice and I can get directions from you prior to when we go to the court hearing.
A motion to go in executive session to discuss litigation. Second.
Okay, we have a motion for an executive session to discuss litigation and a second. Call the roll, please.
Levy?
Yes.
Gray?
Yes.
Christensen?
Yes.
Ferguson and Rogers absent.
Okay, so we'll go into executive session. If we could ask the members of the public to give us the room, we'd appreciate it.
Oh, I like
Anybody stay? No.
All right. Entertain a motion to come out of it.
Motion to come out of executive session where we discuss just litigation. Second.
All right. Would you call the roll, Diane, please?
Levy?
Yes.
Christensen?
Yes.
Gray?
Yes.
Ferguson and Rogers are absent.
Okay.
And that's at 2:30.
And a motion to adjourn?
Motion adjourned.
I'll second that. All those in favor?
Aye.
Aye. Okay, we're adjourned.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thanks all.
Thank you.
Thank you.